Robot vacuum cleaner is a robot that can automatically clean the floor and can be controlled by a smartphone or voice assistant such as Alexa. This robot vacuum cleaner has many advantages, such as intelligent navigation, remote control, automatic cleaning, and automatic charging. There are a lot of best robot vacuums under $400 this year. We show you the best robot vacuum by doing thorough research from many robot vacuum reviews and Amazon customer reviews. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more.
I'm a good boy. Oh, hey there. Who are you?
Hi, I'm Lucy, your personal smart home superhero.
Well, I'm Spot, your personal smart home destroyer.
I'm a smart vacuum with the highest suction power in my class.
The last smart vacuum stopped playing with me after I gave him a sock.
Because of my full HD camera and depth sensors, I map your home in real time and detect objects down to 1 inch.
Awesome. I don't really know what that means.
It means I avoid socks, cables, and even pet accidents.
Like a dookie? I left a nice one for the last smart vacuum, and he spread dookie everywhere.
Not me, because I actually see pet accidents and navigate around them. Then I help my owners by spraying some air freshener.
What about dog hair? I shed all over the place, and the last robot didn't like it.
I welcome pet hair with my special pet hair extractor.
That's impressive.
I also mop to put the finishing touch on our owner's home.
Wow, so shiny.
I'm not just a pretty vacuum Spot. I have a brain.
What's a brain?
Going back to the charging station.
Wait, we're done, Lucy?
Not quite. While I sit here, I'm also a home protection camera with a motion detector.
Home protection?
Now, go grab your leash and bring it to me.
Leash! Lucy, I'm home.
The robot is starting the cleanup. Charging. Turn on the L20.